Hello, 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 mic check. Okay, 9:29 it is. Just starting the analysis, let's see. Okay. Hello, 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 hello. Okay. So let's see. It's 9:30 right now. Daily has just gotten this. To be honest, I do not mind along. Like over here, I know there's a pullback possible to here, but I still do not mind along from here. Like long term at least. We're gonna try to dice the time frames. Let's try to go in. That's previous day high is over here apparently. Overnight high is there. Previous day low. Overnight low is here. Previous day low is there. All of this seems to be Monday's session, so this was Monday's low, I think. 9, yeah. Monday low. Okay. This seems to have been marked. 21 EMA right here is right at this. What's the 2 hour looking like? Uh, could be forming lower low, like breakout retest, and could be going up till here. I would say for 2 hours. 1 hour could be doing the same thing. 30 minutes, yeah. Oh, okay. So VWAP it touched and got sold immediately. Okay. Okay. Let's see how it goes. It is holding Monday's low for now at least. Let's see how it does. Okay. I don't think there's any news today, I'm pretty sure. Let's see the Forex Factory. I don't have it marked for that. So for today, WEF meetings, WEF annual meeting. Okay, not much. Tomorrow, WEF annual meetings, 8:30. President Trump speaks. Okay. Okay, so NQ has already claimed the high. ES hasn't yet, at least. It broke, but 5-minute candle has closed above. Let's see if there's any rejection. That's a Monday low. That's the overnight low today, I'd say. 50 EMA right there. Still above VWAP. ES, okay, let's try to mark ES till that time right now. That's 30 minutes or 1 hour, let's say. So previous day low apparently is here. Overnight low is right here. Previous day high would be here. Overnight high is right here. So that's Monday low. Monday high. There seems to be good rejection right now from the 21 EMA right here, at least 50. Just took the support at 15. I saw no go short over here, to be honest, like breakout, retest kind of stuff. Now let's see supply. This is going to be supply as well for now. Previous day low, previous day high. Overnight high, overnight low. It is holding about this at least for now. projection from view. So breakout and retest over here. So view projection. See if it comes back anytime. I doubt it, but let's see. View up QQQ. Right at view up. ES is below view up. SPY is right at view up as well. Let's see if you see any bounce or any of that sort. 15 minutes on QQQ, which has still 3 minutes to go. Almost has a big wick on top. Okay, same thing for this as well, I'd say. This could be a bull flag as well, but I don't wanna. When the trend seems to be down at the moment, let's. 30 minutes has broken above this 21 EMA. Doesn't seem like it is falling right here for NQ at least. I don't. That doesn't seem to be a good spot, to be honest. To go either long or short or do anything. SPY is sideways completely. ES is sideways completely. NQ is kind of sideways. So there is no trade. Rejection of VWAP from NQ. Let's see if no, there was no rejection. Let's see if how these candle closes. 15 minutes. You can see 1 more minute to go. 5 minutes. Okay. Still holding. I mean, I don't see any trade for now in this. Let's see. No trade on NQ. I think Matt have been right. Matt might have been right. There will be later reversal on this. Let's see, 4 hours. How does the 4 hour look? Okay, 4 hours. This is 6 to 10 candle. Okay, we'll have to wait till 10 then. There's no other 15 more minutes. I guess there's no other option in that one. Let's see how these 15 minute, 5 minute. It needs to break some kind of range at least. Some kind of. This doesn't seem like a fair. You can probably. I can't. 60 points. This seems like a bull flag, but it doesn't. Wasn't worth it. I mean this. Okay, right at POC, apparently. the value high and low. So high is right at that, low is where the support took place. Okay. Okay, I'm checking the sleep how it went. It says a high sleep score means you might not have slept perfectly, but you got the sleep you need. Your sleep was likely to be restorative and may also support your long-term health. How your score is calculated. Your score is based on your duration, bedtime, and interruptions. The closer you are to the goal, the more points you earn. I got 84 interruptions. There were 4 interruptions. Dreams. Duration 35 or 50. So I slept 5 or 51 minutes according to this. Went to sleep at 12:30. Woke up 6:15 something. So 6:15, 6:20. 84. Okay. REM was 1 hour 13 minutes. Awake 8 minutes. Score 341. Deep 57. Okay, there might be something. Yes, just rejected VWAP. Let's see. It breaks this range. There might be something. Monday low, come here. Spy, let's see if Spy rejects the VWAP if it does. I don't think there's any trade before 10 to be honest, so let's wait till 10. Let's see how the candles form after that. 5 minutes. Look, barcodes. 2 minutes barcodes. 3 minute barcode. 10-minute bullshit. 15 minutes. Yeah. It can probably try to go up till here. I don't know. Why? Up to a level. I'm going to trade on a level only. That's it. There's no point. There might be a rejection right now coming from viewer. ES21 EMA may be rejecting. NQ. I mean, there's this. The spy is right at view up. Until spy loses view up, I can't. So spy respects view up a lot. NQ. Some days, yes. Today QQQ is doing that as well. QQQ, if you see right here, just on a tier, like right at view up. Okay, let's see if it breaks below that. Something like this. Any day. Right here at this range. Spy right at view up again. Bounce right at view up. Spy is right at 50. Okay, going to value area high over here. Spy. Okay. POC support. It might break above in the upwards range at least. Let's see. I haven't seen any huge rejection as of now. It is still going in the upwards direction. These fucked up fucking candles, man, always. Why is there a skip? 15-minute. What's this? I don't think there's any trade till late day. Let's try something. Not try, but let's see how the rest of the market is doing. Okay. Previous day low is right here. Maybe open. If the market decides to flip, ES is rejecting a view up again. SPY is above view up, ES is below view up. So let's see. NQ is right at view up. QQQ above view up, taking support of view up. So SPY and QQQ are taking view up support at the moment. ES rejecting view up twice, rejected twice at least. NQ is doing its own thing. ES rejected view up twice. QQQ taking support. SPY taking support as well of view up. A broken EMA, it did break EMA. Okay, it hasn't, like the blue line 21 EMA, it hasn't broken as of yet. Rejection 30 is too high. QQQ. That's the second rejection. 10 o'clock time frame. Let's wait for 10 o'clock time frame. So rules that I was thinking are, maybe I should, I don't know, maybe 3 trades, let's say 3 trades. What, 3 trades micro? That should be the case. There's another rejection from view up. SPY, let's see how SPY reacts now. If SPY flushes below view up, there's 50 right below it, so there's no point 681. A lot of people would have went into options today and got obliterated today, so let's see. Okay, That was good reaction. Let's see how the hourly candle looks. Okay. I mean, if it closes over here, 6870. Uh, it does close over here. Might not be bad. My bias at the moment is short, but until and unless it reclaims this, I'm not going long. Like, not the trading day. 50 EMA right here. It needs to reclaim that. 320, I think. Yeah, 25, 320. Not so much. I don't. I mean, I want to understand this and stuff, but like value area high rejection. That's what you're gonna say. I mean, that's in hindsight at the moment, no? Like, if you can do that in real time, that's different thing. Then you know what you're doing. But anything that you wait and see, okay, that's a hindsight at this point. Taking a guess. If it always does that, and you need to see how it reacts to that. And there's this low liquidity node, as Casper says. Casper, not Casper. Whatever the guy's name is. Vincent's friend. Forgot. Order flow guy. Well, let's see, okay. Got bought up again. Like, there apparently seems to be some kind of buyer that is in the market for some reason. It's getting bought up. Let's spy. Let's see how the 10 o'clock time frame makes the difference. I think this is where I think this is just a pure hypothesis. So 10 o'clock time frame opens over here. Equal highs is gonna be equal highs. Is gonna try to. What does the hourly candle look? Okay. Oh, okay. There's some selling coming in. Let's see how the 5 minute. Like that's barcode 15. Until as it flips the next candle. So this is the point of control at the moment. 15. If the next candle flips over here, I might be able to take a stab. What will be the RR for the downside? Let's say if I take a stab right here, 70 points. Depending on how it looks. View up is right there as well. Why, but there's no momentum, right? Like, what's the point? Flip of a candle, that's what you're going to trade on. ES rejected again, kind of a head and shoulders. First time, if it closes, that's a different story, but it hasn't closed yet. SPY is right at view up. View up. Okay, it is going below that. Okay, so 10 o'clock. Is it straight up? Is that gonna be the case? 15. That doesn't. There was no upside to this either, so that's why I'm a bit. There are buyers fighting for it, so SPY is below view up now. High of 5-minute candle. It goes above that, then yes, there's no point of being in that trade anymore. Yes, if it breaks below 50 EMA. So ES is taking support at 50 EM exactly. Not ES, sorry, SPY. 50, so it took support over there. Bounced right at 50, so let's see. This, so ES, SPY has already lost view up. QQQ is still above view up, so we might need to be careful about that. There's this ES rejection twice. Let's see. So 21 EMA, right? Okay, so this is a valid stop. I would just say, even if it's 675, that's a valid stop. So let's see what the 5-minute was. That's 9:30, 31. That's this. Okay. Okay. I do see it happening. If it doesn't go above the 5-minute candle, that's the most I could have done for this one. So if ES rejects now, SPY rejects view up now. See? Okay. Okay, let's see. If it smacks below, it just doesn't need to close above, that's it. It needs to stay positive, okay. So ES rejected view up right now. I mean, it hasn't rejected, but it is rejecting. Let's see how this candle closes. This, the one after this, both will matter a lot. So let's see. Okay, nice. SPY is rejecting. ES is below 21 as well, getting rejections. Getting bought up. SPY is getting bought up again. Okay, let's see. 5 minute 21 SPY. So QQQ's VWAP is what might be saving the market at the moment apparently. QQQ is bouncing right at the VWAP. Could it reverse all the way? It could. SPY still is rejecting VWAP. There was a doji. Let's see. Could there be a reversal from here? The SPY just rejected this. Kind of a doji. This doji. Let's see how this candle closes. How does a 2 minute look like? Okay. That does look bearish to me, to be honest. Yeah, rejecting again. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Buy. This is not good. Yeah, this. It needs to go, kind of, die. Going, nah. Might need to exit the position. I mean, stop loss is there, so I don't need to exit the position per se, but it reclaimed view up right now. SPY just reclaimed view up. Let's see. Could it be fake? Okay, nice selling, let's go. Let's go. Okay, previous candle, SPY just broke. Oh, nice. SPY just broke below previous candles low. Multiple previous candles low. If it continues, there's a good chance. That was kind of a breakout and retest. View up rejection. Let's see. You can stay in this trade a little bit. There's more confidence now, at least in this trade. Let's see. Let's go. That's a good setup. Perfect. Nice. Let's go. Nice. As a 15 minute looks like. Okay, 15 minutes still has 6 minutes to go, so I would say I mean, if there were 2 contracts, I would sell one over here at the low of this and I would trail the other one. But okay, let's why not trail okay, that's what's going to happen, right? Okay, let's I don't have my TP right now. Okay, so let's keep the TP right here. What's the problem? This ain't real money anyways, right? 575. Okay, perfect. Nice. Let's see how it goes. Open. It could be open. How does the SPY look? Okay, might be reversing. It is reversing. I mean, not that way. So this is where I would take my partials if I had 10 MNQ. This might not be a bad place to take some partials below this, but this is rejecting again. Okay, nice. 690, nice. Let's see. Okay. SPY 50 EMA rejecting again. Let's see how it closes. It just closes green, red. It's perfect, I'd say. QQQ right at view up. Let's see how if it rejects view up. What does it do? $21 EMA as well, right above it. So even if it doesn't reject, I would still allow it, to be honest. It might go to 9 EMA as well for this one. Let's see how it goes. QQQ SPY. SPY formed a doji. Let's see if sellers are able to go with it. Force it down. Okay, they are not able to apparently. Okay, SPY is still rejecting. SPY is still rejecting. Okay, let's see. Okay, spy rejected heavily. Okay, let's. This is a valid trade at the moment. Really valid trade. Like kind of valid trade. Okay, this. What time was it? 8:34. Okay, we're going for that. 8:34. Alright, at 5 minutes. Okay, perfect. If it breaks that, that's a good as trade. So that's at 15 minutes. I would I would put one. Like if I had multiple contracts, I would sell it right here. One contract, like partials. I'll take partials right here. I'll trail the other ones, but I mean I want to trail it till here. Not gonna lie. Like this looks good rejection. Like this looks good rejection. That's breakout, breakout, rejection. At least till here. Uh, yeah, if that was a possibility. If money was not a problem, this is what I'm going for. At least till here. I mean, I'll have to analyze it more in that case. Oh. Getting bought back up. As expected, 21 EMA. View up. Let's see if it rejects again. Spy. Just at 50. Okay. Seems to be a nice trade, to be honest. QQQ drops view up and mayhem. I would say mayhem. QQQ needs to drop view up. That's it. Another month until we potentially get something financial juice. No news as of yet, or what? Oh, 32 news. Let's see. Who the heck is this? The Altus vulnerability financial to. Oh, okay. That's not good. To support 50 EMA. Rejection of QQQ at this, and we good. We good. Not rejection, but like if it drops the support of QQQ view up, we should be good. So QQQ right now taking support right at view up. Spy, drop this, rejection again. So if it's just a fake out kind of stuff, if it rejects over here, that's a bottom range. That's good, but it doesn't seem like it is rejecting. Now I would have went short over here, I would drop right now. Like I would put my stop, take profit over here. Trailing TP. Trailing stop loss, I'd put it over here. And that's 1 hour candle, okay. Let's see if it rejects 15 minutes. Point of control is this. What's the point of control in this one? Alright, at POC. And should reject this one, I'd say. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. QQQ. If QQQ is gone below you up, may have 30 minutes. Are getting bought up again. Needs to QQQ needs to break view up. That's if that gets sold into, should be good. These small pops and options will fucking kill you, man. That's the thing. Especially 0DT. There we go. Spy rejects view up. We should be good. This is trading on higher time frame right now. This is not just trading on 1 minute, 2 minute. Getting the full picture of it. How there are buyers? That's crazy. Okay, nice rejection. Okay, QQQ just broke view up. So this should continue, I would say. Nice break below view up. If it rejects this, you're good. Buyers trying to bid. Let's see what sellers do. Tap, 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 tap. Break, 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 break. 30 seconds. Let's go, let's go. Yes. Rejection. Bigger candle, a little bit bigger candle, I'd say. Not in green, red. Let's go, let's go. So QQQ rejected view. Perfect. Now it should be good. Should be. We never know what market's going to do, so let's see. There's another rejection. Oh my. Oh my. Oh mama. A spy. What the heck? What the heck? Spy just taking support of 50. How that does that make sense? Let's see if we can find an order flow. Wow, wow, that's insane. That's crazy. That's just crazy. That's crazy. Until unless there's a news that shouldn't happen. There is some kind of news, I would say. These pops, look at these fucking pops. And we're stopped. 63 point candle. Imagine if you're short right here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What the fuck? Yeah, it might continue. No. We were good. Not anymore apparently. Wow, 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 that's crazy. 15-minute chart. Right, EMA, I guess. That's what happened. I don't know. Seemed bearish, but I don't know. Not yellow. Reclaimed. SPY reclaimed. Not SPY. ES reclaimed the view up. Q, Q, Q. At bounce of these buyers? What? Might sell again to be honest, but like that was just for stop hunts. That's crazy. 119 contracts at 360. 360. That's crazy. Like, I mean, that I could see that sellers are trying, but there was no actual result. But like, I didn't know buyers are gonna take it all the way. But okay. I was expecting at least the opening range. Open is open kind of stuff, you know. Anyways. see 130, 140 contracts getting filled. $360. Book shows 140, 147 contracts. To be sold right there. 34. Not getting filled yet. That's the wall at the moment. 130, 360 exact contract. 360. Okay, got filled now. I would say. Yeah, that book got filled. There's 105 contracts at 400 now. This box fucking crazy. QQQ rejected view of the first time, then second sold apparently. Okay, let's stay focused. It's Monday low. Wow, that's all I wanna say. Just wow, that's crazy. 100 contracts at 400. candle. Holy shit. Going 90,000 others. Tropics dams Nvidia chip sales approved to China. What the fuck? What kind of code is this? Doesn't rule on Trump's tariffs Tuesday. US Supreme Court does not issue a ruling. Challenge to legality of Trump's global tariffs. Netflix. What in Netflix? What was this 1021 news? That's what I know. Potentially get something. Don't rule on President Donald Trump's tariff Tuesday, meaning it probably will be at least another month before a challenge to his signature economic policy is resolved. CEO does not believe in a shift from US asset but against America's entrepreneurs and consumers. You have years under your belt. Still so much one can learn from Tom. Give it to go and you will be surprised. Wow, that's going to 400, eh? Dude, that's insane, dude. Flipping the bias wouldn't have it. I mean, probably for this trade, but it wasn't worth it. That's crazy. Bitcoin selling sent up. What the? For some second. I don't think there's any more trade for me today. This was crazy. BRB. None of this action is worth taking. This was something else. Until and unless, I mean, the same thing is happening to buyers right now, no? They're trying to bid up, getting rejected, sold, sold, sold. Let's see how this candle goes. Another attempt. $106 contracts at 400 at the moment. High was 393, so 106 contracts at 400. So that seemed like a rejection. Let's see what you gotta say now.
heavier on it. Me too. Should've went heavier. That's alright. It's Monday. Build our buffer. That's Tuesday, right? Build our buffer. Now we come into tomorrow confident. I'm not letting AMD go below 100% game. Taking it. 100% out of AMD. Taking it. That's right into the NASDAQ supply at 25,420. I only got one contract left. I'll take the dub. Alright, guys. That's it. Nice trade. Nice day. Selling the final AMD at 1131. Entering at 553. Really nice. Here we go. Little entry. See if I can get this juice. Bid's going crazy? No way. Back up? Oh my god. Oh, I didn't have the alert again. Wow. Look at that perfect hold over. Wow. Yeah, the Friday low reclaim was impressive on a lot of stocks today. That's a really good example of reclaims. Young bull, look at that. Boom, baby. 19K. Lovely, dude. Sexy. Look at this reclaim on hood. Look at this Friday low reclaim right here. Beautiful. Break. Little consolidation above. Right here. Bam, bam, bam. Sick move. Wish I caught this one. Plenty of space, too.
same thing that he said. That's said.
Okay, but look where the ES just. Okay, let's watch this on the book map. Let's see what happens right here. Big ass spot. Big ass spot. Starting to think that he was watching your live stream. 6890, all that matters. Yeah, I mean, me and Adam, I guess, just look at things the same, man. Uh, I mean, 6890, very clear level. Like, the information he's sharing is, it's not rocket science, guys. You guys can all see it. I mean, it's right here. This low. Hard exact image on from today. So, we can all, it's really not hard for us to all be at that level. 6890. Here, here, here. Pretty clear. Oh, this would be such an interesting ball. Oh my god. I also, here's the thing. All right, so let it be known. Here's the thing I don't like about this retest, right? Who can guess? Quick. There's something else that I don't like about this retest. It's this. I don't like this. Yep, Josh has got it. I don't love that it went straight up here. I feel like it might need to fill some of that in, right? Like trap this and then fill this in. So I'm not a huge fan. Also, the Nasdaq is back under the morning lows. Look at this. See this?
Morning
Look how the
highs.
Nasdaq's trading now. Under these morning rejections. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like this. I don't like this on. Just simply put, I don't like this on. Even if it works, I don't like it. It looks like it wants to work though, right? Like this is what the market does. Let's see. I mean, it looks really interesting. It's right at the spot. It is perfectly coming back to the 6890, 6887 spot. It didn't grab this liquidity though. See this? It's still sitting there. It didn't grab it, which is a little bit concerning as well. I feel like you need to grab that. Let's see how this plays out. This will be interesting. I'm not trading it, just an interesting morning messaging. Yeah, I don't like that failure of the 50 on the ES, and I don't like how you're failing back into these previous highs on AP. That's not very good looking. I would be nervous if I was in this long now. That would have instantly made me nervous. I would have clenched right there. 100%. Yep, yep, yep. Okay, you just grabbed that liquidity at 76 now. Or sorry, 87. What am I saying 76 for? So you did just grab that. Now this is interesting. Watch. See this? Now it's interesting to see what the reaction is. See how that order got filled right here? If this turns into a long after grabbing that liquidity right there, that is some sick book map tech right there. Don't really see a reaction from what he went along here though. So.
However, from the top is gone.
This is such a big spot. Conclusion to this, I will be out of here, guys. I'll be done for the day. Let's just see the conclusion. Okay. 87 trying, but rejecting 90. Yeah, he definitely rejected 90 now. Alright. Holy shit. Okay. There's your 60. There's your 87 liquidity grab there. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Jeez. What a reaction. Wow. What a little grab at that 87. What a hold. What a rip. Holy shit. Pretty clean. Yeah, pretty clean. I mean, it did it where it had to do it. I wouldn't have taken it because of that area, but that is exactly where it had to do it, and it did it. So hopefully that shows you how these levels work. Really nice. There, there, break, retest. Let's see if we can continue. How's the follow through? Follow through is important here now. Hoodie looks strong. Palantir back over 170. Nice job, Dustin. Palantir back over 170. Follow through looks pretty decent.
Everyone needs help with something. If investing is your something, we get it. And as a dedicated long-term partner, we got you. Build a website you love with Wix, where your words create.
Fucking goalie fight in the Panthers game. This is awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. Well, it paid to not be a horny bear today. Into a gap down. So, worked out pretty much as expected. Yeah, I mean, perfect break and retest on me. Yes, absolutely. Perfect. That little, the secret there was, as much as I didn't love it, I think you might even still come down to stack level, absolutely, and still has this. Why did the word smelly come to mind? This is a smelly area for me. I don't know why that word came to mind, but just not. I don't. It doesn't sit well with me. Veterinary. I don't like that. Not sure why that word came to mind, but it did. All right, guys. I'm gonna enjoy what is it? The fruits of my labor, and that means I'm gonna get the hell out of here, and so should you. Really nice day. Plenty more opportunity it seems if this ES can hold, but 100% on AMD did our job, and we now enjoy our day. And this is how we keep. This is how we stay up, right? Like this is how we stay up. This is how our mindset stays right. This is how we continue to walk into these days with a positive mindset, and that very much helps you perform. It's days like today where you make a nice trade, you do the right thing, you get out, and you enjoy why we all want to become traders in the first place, which is to buy back our time. So let's do that today. Now, the most important thing that I'm trying to figure out right now is what
7:40. How? 45. It is sure a spy. Your world is fucking crazy. The moment you try to spy ah. Bro, come on, like, what a guy. that's it for today. I'm tired as heck, so